If you're a fan of bright colours and abstract splatter effects, this video is for you. Today we will see how in a very short time you can create a really interesting picture and how to properly use KOH-I-NOOR Hardtmuth drawing inks. Drawing inks are manufactured in a variety of colours and shades, including metallic inks such as silver and gold. We use the most appropriate ink on KOH-I-NOOR Pop Aquarel watercolour paper when we combine ink with water or watercolours. Metallic inks must be shaken before use. Inks are often used for pulling and drawing thinner lines. They can be applied with any brush or KOH-I-NOOR ink pen, where we can choose the size of the attachments according to our needs, or with the pipette attached to the ink bottle. We can now try to mix the ink with the KOH-I-NOOR Artistic Opaque watercolours and aniline watercolours. Both the water and the colours have different compositions which affect the formation of structures on the paper. Once the drawing inks come into contact with a damp surface, they create a magnificent structure with explosions that are never plain in detail. It is almost unbelievable what you can create with a simple grouping of two media in a few moments. We make sure the surface on which the ink is to be applied, or which we are dropping on, is sufficiently moistened, and then just take a look at this magical process. When colouring two surfaces adjacent to each other by this technique, it is important to wait until the first surface is dry. Ink and colour from one area could get onto the other and thus undermine the overall appearance. Imagination has no limits, and it's up to you what colour combination you choose and what you create with this technique. We wish you lots of fun and inspiration while using drawing inks from KOH-I-NOOR Hardtmuth.